Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to buy blueberries. Blueberries are actually native to North America, and California alone has over 9,000 acres of blueberry farms. So how do you buy the best blueberries that you possibly can? So choosing the right blueberries comes down to a few things. There's the bloom that's on the blueberries. That's that kind of white coating. There's the size and then the color of them. And I'm going to walk you through each of those things and what you need to look for when choosing blueberries. So the first thing that you want to look for when you're choosing blueberries is the bloom. So when you look at blueberries, you'll notice that above that sort of deep blue color, there's kind of a whitish, inconsistent film on the blueberries. That's completely natural, and it's actually a sign of freshness. As the blueberries get older, that bloom will fade away. The next thing you want to look for is size. Now, size is not the most important indicator, and I'm not going to make the most obvious joke here, but so when it comes to size, you really just want a container of blueberries that are consistent. That's the thing that you really want to look for. So sometimes the smaller ones are okay, sometimes the larger ones are okay, but it's just really that consistency within the container that's important. So the next thing to look for is the color of the blueberries. While you might want pink berry, you don't want pink berries. So you don't want berries that are red or pink. That means that they're underripe. They were picked too early. What you do want are berries that have a dark purplish blue color to them. Again, there's that bloom coating that's going to be whitish over it, but you just want a nice, consistent, deep purplish blue on the blueberries. From the skin side of things, you want to choose blueberries that are plump. So if they are all wilted at all, don't pick those blueberries. Put those ones back. You want them to look plump and even when it comes to the skin and consistency too. So that's how you buy your blueberries. But how do you store them? So once you get the perfect ones and you bring them home, you want them to last forever, right? So unfortunately, berries spoil quickly, but there's a few things you can do to make them last longer. You can actually wash your blueberries in 1 part vinegar, 3 parts water, soak it for about 15 minutes. This will kill all the bacteria and mold spores that are on the berries that cause them to spoil quicker. Completely dry the berries, store them in a container with a paper towel, and they'll actually last 2 times longer than if you just put them in there from the store. So that's how you buy blueberries and how you store them. Thanks for watching.